Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. This is a Kawasaki VN900 16-inch apehanger kit. Okay, you can see beautiful bars, not dimpled like the Harleys need. So these are the proper bars for your bike. We also have them in 1¼ inch diameter. So this will actually be 1¼ inch here, inch on the ends. All right, if you want the fat bar look. This particular kit comes complete with brake hoses, beautiful braided steel, as you can see. These do turn. If you hold this, you can turn this. Also comes with the throttle cables, you push and you pull, and your clutch cable. The wiring you may have to lengthen, but that's not a massive job. Obviously, you just cut and solder. Okay, we can do your kit if you really want one. One that basically is all multicoloured, so you don't get your wires mixed up, as opposed to using black like some people do. This particular kit's a 16-inch apehanger kit for a Kawasaki VN9, and obviously we're doing for Wildstars, we're doing for Suzuki's, we're doing for pretty well any Jap bike, and obviously the Harleys as well. So if you're interested in upgrading your bars, you know, beach bars as well, we do T-bars, you know, some of these crazy 10-inch ape T-bar things that they do, or like 10-inch T-bar with big risers, massive pullbacks, much like the Minis have on standard. But any bars at all, any grips, as you can see, we do masses of gear here. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.